How to make Reels viral. To make Reels viral, some strategies and techniques should be followed. These tips may be helpful.
Tip number 1, follow the trend. Whatever latest trends and challenges are going on Instagram, do your part. It is important to create timely content on trends.
Tip number 2, use of hashtags. Use popular and relevant hashtags. With hashtags, your content can reach more people. Along with common hashtags like TaralFYP, Lasht Viral, Lasht Trending, also use niche-specific hashtags. Tip number 3, engaging content. Your content should be engaging. Force people to like, comment, and share. Emotional, funny, or informative content is more viral. Tip number 4, high-quality videos. Ensure your video quality is high. Good lighting, clear audio, and smooth editing make your reels more appealing to viewers. Tip number 5, use captions and text overlays. Many users watch videos without sound. Adding captions or text overlays can help convey your message effectively. Tip number 6, post consistently. Regularly posting new reels keeps your audience engaged and increases your chances of going viral. Aim for a consistent schedule. Tip number 7, music selection. Use popular and trending music. Music is also very helpful in making reels viral. This increases the chances of your content being discovered by a larger audience. Tip number 8, collaborate with others. Partner with influencers or other creators. Collaborations can help you reach a wider audience. Tip number 9, share across platforms. Promote your reels on other social media platforms like Instagram Stories, Facebook, or Twitter to drive more traffic. Tip number 10, engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask questions, and interact with viewers. Engagement boosts your reels' visibility on the platform. Tip number 11, at last, analyze and adapt. Monitor the performance of your reels using analytics tools. Learn what works and adapt your strategy accordingly. By following these tips, the chances of your reels going viral are greatly reduced. Patience and persistence are also important because sometimes it may take time to get results. I hope. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to channel for more informative videos. Thank you so much for watching and take care.